My favorite part about the STEM course would be being in advanced classes, being an 8th grader and taking high school classes, freshman, and having a high school experience of how it would be and being prepared for what's coming next.
Honestly, my favorite part about STEM is the projects. They're all pretty fun, but one that was really fun, I think, was the turbine one, because my group came second best. We created around 100 megawatts of power. We only came second to a group that did 130. And I really liked it because the play design that I used was something that I created.
I earned the respect of my teachers and also my peers going through the year, so it's been a really nice experience for me, just meeting all these great people and all these great teachers.
I would give to incoming 8th graders into the program would be to just try hard, because honestly, if you don't, then you don't know what will happen to you. There are plenty of people in here who are smart but just don't put in the work or effort, but they still do a great job and they deserve to be here.
I really enjoy teaching these 8th graders. They really are the best of the best. Every year that I've done this, they've continuously surprised me as far as their ingenuity and their creativity and their work ethic, and I'm really looking forward to seeing what next year's class is going to do.